Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this new video inside of text edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word nature. This is pretty long, I must admit, and make sure it's in a really bold font. Then I'm just going to quickly go to the library and I'm going to add in a black stock video first. I forgot to do that. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it and extend it, but this is enough. Right click, create compound clip, and add it on top. And I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to add in videos of like sceneries underneath. So you can't really see it right now, but just go to video and go to the blend mode and select the darken one. And then from here, if you want them to be like different settings for each like letter, I'm just going to place it where I want it first, and then I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select rectangle, and I'm just going to do this essentially, and I'm just going to do that for 5 more. Love that for me. So for instance, I want to add this one underneath. I'm just going to adjust this. Might be a good idea to lock this in place actually, so that doesn't bother with the rest of it. Just go to mask and maybe select horizontal instead, and again just try to like mask that in place. And I'm just going to do that again. I'm going to add this like beachy vibe I meant. It is a little bit hard to be honest because this is slanted, so I might add it on top of it. There we go. Then again, I'm going to select the rectangle one and I'm just going to basically create a mask again, and then I'm going to add this one on top. Actually, maybe not this one because there's like silhouette and it interferes with the background a little bit. And then again, I'm just going to select the rectangle one, or you can also select the mirror one, but I guess this one's a little bit easier. Like so. We have 2 more, so just hold on a sec. Okay, that is not nature. Maybe like this one. Oh, that's pretty. That is actually super pretty. I want to add this one, and I'm going to use the horizontal one. And lastly, we'll add this one. Don't know why I added that on top, but here we are. There we go. Super pretty in my opinion. But yeah, that is cutest text effect ever. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!